everybody? I hope everybody's having a good day today, and we're back with another banger. And by the title of the video, you already know we're going to be going over rims and the tuning. I apologize for being absent, and I'm sorry for taking those 5 months off. I had a bunch of problems that I ran into with the car. I was leaving work and I ran over a drive shaft and it blew out my rear suspension. So I got new suspension, I got sway bars, axles, and we'll be showing you guys here soon in the video. And I got the active exhaust taken off. So I went with MBRP tips, carbon tips, and then we got another problem that we're gonna go over today. My rotors are fucked right now, but my caliber is seized up, so we got to go to the dealership and see if they can cover it on the warranty. Hopefully they can, but I need to get this tune installed because it's running super lean. Did it? Yeah, it ain't sounding too good right now, but we're about to get it fixed, put the 93 tune on there, and then we're gonna go put these tires on, and then to the dealership we go. So I'll see you in a second. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're uploading the tune right now. Let's put it on. It's about to sound so much better. Custom tune complete. I can't believe it's been 5 months. Like, I ain't even had my car for a year yet. It's been 8 months, and if you count the wreck that I had, yeah, it's literally a total of 6 months. That's insane. It's at like 28,000 miles right now. That's bad. That's really fucking bad. But we're getting it back together. You guys see, I'm already coming back strong with the rims, the suspension, and it's done. So about to see how this sounds. Definitely feels a lot better, like response, everything, the sound. It's coming together. I have so many ups and downs with this car since I got it, and like the merch has been on hold and everything. Like, we're still trying to find a manufacturer for that. We sold out that in 3 days of us making our clothing and getting it out there to people. Like, it was literally 3 days, everything was gone. I don't know if you guys can hear the rubbing and scraping of this caliber, but it literally is louder than my exhaust right now. And I've been riding on it for at least a week now, and it's fucking ridiculous. And I was gonna have another video out for you guys yesterday, and I was gonna edit it today, and I didn't have my equipment around, so I just went and got it from my friend. And we're back in action. Fuck. We're on our way to Mason tire discounters. My friend Devin works there. He's about to give us a discount and hook us up with some sensors too, because this is ridiculous.
Oh, he's gonna catch up!
I'll see you guys when we get to the tire discounter. this counter. Getting these rims put on. You guys can finally see them, what they're supposed to look like when they're clean. There you go. And this is a staggered setup, so these don't have no concave to them. The rear ones do. That thing's fucking filthy. What's going on? I'm low-key pissed right now. I got all 4 tires and rims on, but my wheel bearing's fucked up, so I gotta get that fixed. This thing is done. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but this side's sticking out and it was shaking, and then this side is flush. It's so bad. Like, I'm about to take it to the dealership right now. It's 16 minutes away. Well, let me show you guys. Hold on. Let me know how you guys work with it. I'm gonna let him pull this out, and we're about to go talk to the dealership. I'll let you guys know what's going on. I'm tore up right now. I just spent $5 grand on, well, no, in total I spent $9 grand. I spent $9 grand on getting the suspension and the labor for the suspension and the axles. And if the warranty doesn't cover this, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we'll see. I'll tap back into the dealership, and yeah, it was the wheel bearing, but I gotta keep riding on it until Friday, so that's gonna be fun. We'll pick up Julian, and then we're gonna head there. This shit looks so clean, bro. Man, I've been getting so many, like, so much more compliments. Like, when I first bought the car, there was no compliments for real. Like, here and there, yeah, but like every day I'm getting compliments now. Like, every time I'm out, it's nice, bro. We're gonna go see what's up. You gonna say hello, Mom? Yeah. To the YouTube channel? No. No. She said no, guys. Oh. Mom.
Hi.
Alright, well, she didn't want to be in the camera, so we're gonna pull the bike out. And don't be making fun of me. I know I'm short. So, hold on 1 second. Let me put this helmet up. I can't wait to get the car fixed Friday. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna sit. Shit right here. It sucks that this green on this bike don't match my rims. It's like way off, which is weird because this is Kawasaki green and that's supposed to be Kawasaki green, and that's like a neon green. Like, this is a neon green and that's darker. Here, let's give you a start up. It is for sure. But can't really record nothing until I get mounts. Like I need to buy mounts for the inside of the car. I need to buy camera mounts for my helmet and a 360 GoPro or the Instant 360. The Instant 360 works better for the bikes, so I'll probably go with that one. Rollers. But other than that, we're gonna go to this car show, and then after that we're gonna clean the car. I know I should not be pulling up like this with my car that's dirty, but it is what it is.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to show y'all these cars. Charles in the back chopping it up, so we gonna get to it.
Everybody keeps telling me that I need to keep doing shit to my car, but it's not anything that I want to do, okay? This shit's pissing me off. So somebody just told me to wrap the roof. No, it's fine black.
Okay. Hey, they ain't seen it. They ain't seen it, huh? The rims. They have all 4 of them though.
Yeah.
Oh. Shit, we just gonna show y'all again. We just gonna show y'all again. Man. This thing's gonna come out so nice, bro. Most definitely. It's just crazy, bro, for real, cause my boy really be out here lit as fuck, my boy. Playing with him. And he got the little eco boost. We gotta love him though. Hey, bro. My boy said it's a 4-banger, man. What? Whoa.
But hey, you can definitely hear that turbo kick in.
Oh God, most definitely. Hey, bro, your light keeps turning off, my boy. Wow. This motherfucker's heat for sure. Most definitely nice. But yeah, bro. Whoa, that must buy.
What's going on, y'all? We finally made it to the car wash. It is 12 o'clock. We was at the meet till like 10 something, and we had to drop Julian off. But I'm gonna get this clean, and then I'm gonna get you guys a little edit, and we're gonna call it quits for tonight. And I got work Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm off for the weekend, and then I'll go back to work that Monday. So I'm gonna be busting out some more content for you guys, just a little update for what's been going on with everything. Been gone for 5 months now, and I'm not trying to do that again. That was ridiculous. That 1 month when I first wrecked my car, it was ridiculous too, but I thought I wasn't even expecting this. But you know, the bounce back is crazy, so I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I bring and have been bringing. So thank you guys once again. I hope you guys like the clips that I just put up there for you guys. And here's what it actually looks like when it's clean and not dirty. So guys fucked with the video today. We'll tap back in with you guys tomorrow. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, you guys need to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so you guys can stay up to date on every new drop, and you can stay up to date on the merch too, through Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok now. So stay tapped in. We're about to go crazy. Peace. Love y'all.